Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. We are distributing iftars today, and the reason why I did this video is I want to be very transparent with you. I don't want to be on here saying, oh, we did this. But I'm doing this so that I can inspire others and give others ideas so that this is available to do in Oman. It is very price worthy, and the information of the company that we used, they delivered all the food to us, and I'll show you how we're gonna go. And these are basically laborers. They start work so early in the morning, and it's about 5:30 right now in the evening, and this was something that we wanted to do for everyone. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you all the food and stuff that's gonna come. So you can see here that the area that we live in, it's a central location. It's an amazing location, very close to Al Khuwair and Al Kuram. We also have this mosque right behind, so we can hear all the azans and everything there. Now you can see all the buildings here, right? So these buildings are what the laborers are working on. Yep, so that's our sunset, just absolutely gorgeous. For all those that are fasting, and you can see people have already started coming. Look at that. I'm not gonna do it. And we are going to go ahead and, can you open one, please? I'm pulling it. So when you open one, this is what we picked. So there's rice biryani, isme na? Biryani with chicken, and then they have the drink, and then a samosa, some dates, and water. And hyped up and happy about this. And I'm so happy that I found this company that does it, and I already know that we're gonna do this a couple more times. All the boxes are here and the people are here. We're gonna start distributing these boxes now.